Hello friends and welcome to Digimento. So this is another video in the series where we want to help you students to score better in the examination. So this is not an academic lecture or an academic video, but this series of lectures will be few strategies to help you gain more marks. Maybe you might have done your preparation really well, but if you are not able to apply it in the examination, then your score can go down. So we are here to help you with a few tricks, tips and strategies to help you score better in any of the competitive examinations. If you like this video, please do like and also share this video with your friends. So today in this lecture, we will be taking up few strategies for note making and the importance of revision. Many students personally ask me, and also many questions come from different students asking why or whether it is important to make our own notes and also whether it is important to revise the topics. So here in this video, I am going to discuss with you the importance of note making and also the importance of revision. Let's quickly go into the video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and also please do press the bell icon for receiving more notifications from us. If you are preparing for GATE, NTA, UGC NET or PGT Computer Science, you can avail our online classes which are available from us. You can visit our website www.digimentor.com or you can call to this number for getting more details about the online classes that we provide to you. Let's quickly go into the video. First, let us see why is note making important. Why is note making a very important part of any competitive examination preparation? First thing is note making will help you in consolidation of your notes. So, for example, if you are preparing for a competitive exam, let's take us NET examination, NTA NET examination. There might be 1,000 or 100 sources from where you collect material. You may have your own class notes and you may have your own academic notes which you have prepared or which you have from your college or from your PG level. So there are n number of sources from where you get material, and there are also few websites available, online materials available, YouTube channels available where lectures are given. So there are so many sources from where you can make or you can collect the notes, where you can get the content. Okay, so I will put it as content. So the content for your preparation, you will get the content from n number of sources. So what happens is that with this n number of sources, you yourself will get confused on which source to use, and during the time of preparation you will be yourself confused where to go for searching one topic. So what you can do is you can first revise or you can first go through your syllabus. Then after going through the syllabus, what you can do, based on the syllabus you can make your content. But what is important while you make the content is to consolidate all the content into very brief notes. So making everything into one point or consolidation of all the notes, bringing everything to one point is very important. Second one, for any competitive examination, it's not important, or I will not say it's not important, but what is more important is how clear you are with the concepts than how much you have learned. Maybe you have read a lot number of books, but if you are not clear with the concepts, then it will not help you in the exam. What is important is clarity of thoughts or clarity of your concepts. So to get this clarity, you have to revise what you have learned again and again. Every time you learn a topic, and when you revise it again and again, you will understand that you are understanding the topic in a more better manner and also deeper. So this will definitely help you to get or build conceptual clarity, which will help in your examination. So revision will save your time also. With minimum time you can cover maximum content, and also this concept gets very much clear in your head. Third one is the note making will definitely help you in answer writing. Suppose in the preliminary level you have a MCQ based exam, but there is a second phase where you have to write descriptive answers. So this note making will definitely help you in improving your answer writing skills also. Then this will help you to sort. Sort means, as I said, there can be n number of sources. So what is important, you have to sort out what is good for you or what is important for you, what not. So it will help you in sorting. So you maybe, for example, you read 100 pages, but maybe only 10 pages of that is important for you. So you can consolidate them and sort them into your own notes. Now, note making can be done both digitally and also offline. So personally, I will go for offline. It depends on how you deal with, I mean, your interest and how you deal with it. So basically there are two types. Anything is okay. So if you're going for digital mode, you can use your laptop or your iPad or your mobile, or example is Evernote. So I have seen many students, many of my friends also use Evernote. It's a very good platform, but I personally like making notes offline. I like to write my own handwritten notes. Why? Because when I read it, I get a kind of satisfaction. So even if you want to make handwritten notes, there are many digital options available. Like for example, in the iPad and all, there is Notability. There is an application available. Such type of things you can definitely make use of. But I always follow this traditional method of writing the handwritten notes on a notebook. So that is what gives me happiness and satisfaction. It depends on person to person. Anything is fine. So you can go for any of these strategies. Now, let's see how this note has to be made. So, basic note preparation strategy. Now, first you have to read a topic completely. So, first, one time reading of the topic must be done. And if you are, for example, reading a particular topic, for example, you are reading about air pollution. So you can read from different sources. There may be different sources available. You can read from different sources. When you are reading from different sources, you will yourself get an idea which source has more content, which source is more relevant from examination perspective and all that. So you can read them in the first go, but now in the first go you have decided to go with which source. Once the source is decided, what you can do is in the second reading you can make your notes. Okay, now once you have made the note, it is not that the purpose is done, the end. No, it's not like that. You should not stop with that. You need to update the notes regularly. There may be changes, like for example, suppose you came across a new note or a new material where you find some more details about a particular topic. So don't think that I have already made the note for this topic, why should I go for the extra sources or extra addition of the notes. But if you find something new about it, do not hesitate to add to your previous note. So please do update your notes regularly, so that you are doing the refining of the notes. Now, most important is stick to your syllabus and previous year questions. I will say that this is the Bible for any competitive examination. So, syllabus, don't go beyond the syllabus, and make sure you complete the syllabus also. Stick on to the syllabus, and previous year questions will definitely give you an idea about what is the mindset of the examiner on how the questions are being asked. So, how the questions are being asked and what is the expectation of the examiner from your preparation. What is the examiner expecting from you? So what would be the cutoff, or how much you have to score to clear the exam? So all these idea you will get only from the previous year question papers and also the syllabus. So please do stick on to syllabus and previous year question papers. And I will also suggest that begin your preparation with this. When you are when you have decided that you are going to take up a particular competitive exam, let it be any exam, make sure the first thing that you do is to go through the syllabus and the previous year questions. Now, a very important point which I always used to follow is use blank papers and also leave a big margin to add the points. Blank papers, because do not write. I personally do not like writing on lined papers. What you can do is you can use blank papers. Okay, then leave a big margin. Why is this margin given? Suppose this is your page or paper. What I usually do is I used to leave half the page as margin. Why I do this or keep this margin is because when I read an additional material or when I get an additional source, suppose I have made the note on air pollution. So I'll write from my source, whatever I got, I'll write here. But as I said, maybe you will come across a better material, some additional points. If you keep this margin, you can simply add to it. Now, if you don't keep this margin, what is the problem? You will have to, write it on a different page. Then consolidation becomes very easy, very difficult. Like you finish the air pollution topic here, maybe after 25 pages you are writing again about air pollution, then you yourself will not have any idea where all you have written about this topic. So if you keep this margin, whenever you get some updates, you can write all the updates in the margin, so that you will have the notes for one topic, everything together in one place. Okay, that is the advantage. Now, while making the notes, please do not try to develop a new textbook from a existing textbook. Don't do that. So make your notes as creative as possible, because if your notes are creative, then you will not get bored while revising your notes. So make them more creative. Do not try to write in full sentences, or do not try to use the same sentences that you have read in your book. Then what is the difference between your note and the book? So basically make it more creative. So use diagrams, points, bullet points, flowcharts, etc. Now if you are making notes on pollution, you can just put some arrow and write down the different types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution, etc. So instead of writing, there are basically or mainly four types of pollution. Instead of writing that, do it like this, so that it becomes more creative, it looks better. The better it looks, then it's more easier for you to revise, and it's it will not be much boring. And okay, see, this is, you should not do this. Different types of air pollution are air pollution. Don't do that. Okay. Now, you use short forms, not complete sentences, and do not look into the grammar also. So, you can use short forms, like if you are writing a note on Battle of Plassey, British East India Company versus Nawab of Bengal plus French, the date, then this. So, do not go for full sentences, complete sentences, or even then you should not even be bothered about the grammar also. So this is another thing, so that you will be able to write so much of content in small space, and revision becomes very easy for you. Use of sticky notes, color pens, etc. It will be very much helpful for you. Okay, so it's all kind of making your notes more creative and attractive, so that you yourself will be more attracted to read it again and again. Okay. Then, now coming to revision. Why is revision important? So, this is about revision. Revision is nothing but rereading. Whatever you have read, you are reading it again. So, it's a kind of rereading. Now, it provides a better perception of writing and improves it. And it also helps in remembering the facts, especially when questions are multiple choice questions, objective type questions. You have to remember a lot of facts. And how can you remember it? Multiple revision. If you have seen, or if you have read a particular thing more than 2 or 3 times, then it sticks on to your mind. When you see the option, you can make it right. It allows the students to study at their own pace without getting exhausted, and it increases your confidence and reduces the anxiety related to the examination. So I will definitely tell you or recommend you to do multiple revisions before taking up any examination. As I said, I'm repeating it again, that it's more important to be clear with what you have learned. What is more important is to be clear with what you have learned, not that how much you have learned. So keep this point in your mind. So this is all about the importance of revision and about note making. I hope you like this video. Please do like it and also share this video with your friends also, so that they will also be benefited from it. Keep watching and do subscribe to our channel. We will come again with some more important videos in this series to help you crack the examination, to do well in the examination. I wish you all the very best for your examination. Keep studying and be cool. See you again with another video. Thank you for watching.